In these videos, we will show you how you can send quarters to your players using the PlayFab module with a real example. Sending quarters has economic consequences, so you must do it securely from a server. In this video, we will show you how to set up quarters on the front end. Please integrate the Quarters Unity SDK first, which we walked through in a previous video. Let's start by creating a new Unity project. Alternatively, just open up your own project instead. Either is fine. Click on the New Project button for doing this. Fill the project name text field. I'm calling it PlayFab and Quarters. Click the Create Project button and wait for the project creation to complete. Second, let's install the PlayFab SDK. The PlayFab SDK must be installed prior to module installation. You can refer to the instructions on the PlayFab documentation for more details on how to download and set up this SDK into your Unity project. The link is in the show notes. You also need to set up a PlayFab title.